Hello, everybody. Can you tell I'm a bit out of it? It's been a long day. I'm tired. I'm sitting down because my back is broken. You can hear the cheeping. Baby chick. Same day, different video, can you tell? No, she changed her hair, she changed her shirt. So what we're doing now, today, in today's video, is we are making a little ghost cake. At least that's the plan. And the recipe I am using is a simple sponge cake recipe, which I have doubled ingredients before. So we need 150 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of caster sugar, and 6 eggies. I've also got like a little bowl here to make the head of my ghost, and 2 circular pans. They are different sizes. This one's for the bottom, this one's for the top. I'm probably going to be doing some carving. You also need fondant, white, black, and pink if you want to make it the way that I'm making it. La, 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 la. So, I've got a handmade fondant, homemade fondant, made from marshmallows that I made. I made marshmallows and I made fondant out of those marshmallows. There must be an easier way of doing that, but I haven't figured it out. And it's hard to come by just plain white. I was gonna say tomatoes, but I meant marshmallows. Hard to come by those here. So I need a sieve. And I don't know what I was saying. But anyway, the first thing that we're gonna do, really, before anything else, is grease our pans and our bowl. You can get circular baking pan tin thingies. But I don't have one, and if you don't have one like me, just use a heat-safe bowl. Now we're gonna use a mixture of caster sugar and flour to dust our pans. So I'm just gonna dust. Trying not to make a huge mess, but hey, on a day like today, anything is possible. I will honestly be amazed if this goes according to plan. Highly doubt it. So, 2 ways to make sponge cake, the easy way and the complicated way. The complicated way is to put your ingredients in a bowl, put it in a bowl of hot water and whisk it till it's creamy, and then you add your flour and no thank you. So we are doing it the easy way, which is using a hand beater. No heat required. This, if anything, this is why it's gonna go wrong, because I'm being lazy. Right, okay, so our 6 eggs in the bowl with our sugar. Gotta get a sieve and beat it up, honey bunny, until it's creamy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if that's how you count to 6 in Spanish, but hey, mambo number 5. There goes Miss Universe. Alright, there's something red in my sugar. The least effective way to sieve. Let's beat it up. It's about there. So you've got this light frothy mixture. Don't want to mess with it too much because the bubbles are important, and we're going to fold in our flour. So you want it to be streaming off like that. I need a spoon. I have a big one. So I'm just going to gently fold this in. You guys know how to do this if you follow my videos on a regular basis. We fold things in, yeah. Sift, we're gonna, okay, so we sieve in half. Sieve half of it into a bowl and fold it in, and then we sift the other half in and fold it in nice and gently. Then we got a cake, really. So I'm just gonna fold this in super gently, super lightly, as we do with cake. I think this is gonna make more cake than I need, but hey, here we are. Just fold that gently in. Time to fill our pans. Give you an idea of the mixture of the cake. Go got lumps, man. Oh, I wanted to make this cake orange. Hold on. I could do like one layer orange, one layer black, but I'm not doing that. I'm just making it orange because I feel like it, or I could make it black and it would be like eating a void. But I'm making it orange. Orange food coloring if you want to do that. So take your cake mixture and pour it in. Very cool, very nice. Pour it in. Pour it in. Okay, and then because we are smart cookies, we will have preheated our oven to 190 degrees Celsius, something in Fahrenheit, and we're gonna pop those in for, let's say 25 minutes, probably 30 or 35 to 40. So anywhere between 20 and 40 minutes. I'll let you know after it's done exactly how long it took. In the meantime, we can get our fondant ready. My idea is to have a sheet ghost. And it's gonna have little eyes like yay, and little cheeks like yay, and a little mouth like yay, and a little speech bubble that says boo. I have a ton of white fondant. I messed up my fondant recipe a lot, pretty badly. So I need to knead this a lot. And I've got my pink and some black. Pink is for the cheeks. This is far too much. Do not need this much. The black is for the face and for hello boo. I was too excited about that. And for the word boo. She's just like, I heard my name. Yes, mama? How's it going? My little ghost cat, my Nina. If you want to know how to make fondant, go and check out Rosanna Pansino's recipe for it. A link down in the description below. And if you want to learn how to make marshmallows, which is what I used marshmallows I made to make fondant, go and check out my cookie cat video where I make fondant. I make marshmallows, not fondant. I make marshmallows.
Okay, so we've carved our cake and now we have our little face ready, made from fondant. And now we're going to
Ice the cake with some black buttercream. That was my mother's idea and I thought it was a good one. So we're doing that. Alright, it's all creamed up. So now we roll out our fondant. I'm really hoping this works. No, it didn't.
Yay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's not okay. It's not okay. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine, everything's fine. It's not at all, but hey, we'll go with it. We'll make it work, and hopefully there's a part of this that will look not horrific. A knife! This is terrible. Let's try and save it. You know, there's some parts of it that don't look hideous. And there are some parts that do. But you know what? It kind of adds to the charm of this little ghost cake. And I mean, I'll tell you right now, my fondant is way too dry. So we're gonna stick a little face on. Yep, my hands aren't clean, so great. Boop. Okay, so far so good. So far so cute. The mouth. This is pretty adorable. It's not gonna last, but there you go. It's the idea that counts. Ah, so that's that. That's the cake. It's very cute-ish. I actually really like it. I'm quite proud of it. All right, so now it's time to cut into it. It doesn't look terrible. Oh, it's a pity the light is so bad. But it's not marbled, so that's a shame. But it's fine. It's alright, it's okay. We're gonna eat cake anyway. Tastes like cake. That's all that matters. It's a bit sweet, but it's fine. It's also a bit dry, but that's because I cooked it for too long. 30 minutes is how long you should bake this cake for. That's it for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. Alright, have a wonderful, wonderful night, and I will see you in the next video. And happy Halloween! Bye bye.